Alright, guys, we're here. Tunnel Mountain. Oh, gonna set up our camp.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Shut down.
Shut down!
Alright, guys, we're done. We just finished setting up our tent. Look at this. A bit small.
Tapos yan na
Still
lang
wet
yung
again.
sagot ko, di ba? Lalo na pag isasalita na yan.
You look so amazing, make me feel. I must stick with you.
Run!
Gusto ko yung scooter.
Cobra? Pait!
It's vile.
Where did you buy it?
It's from the Updo.
Hindi, sa ano?
Why would you eat that? Why would you drink that?
Di ba pag province, when you were living in a province?
Yeah, but did it help you?
Village?
Yeah,
Yes, it did.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Jeez,
I take all the antibiotic.
Maybe it's so high now.
That's why it tastes like that.
Yeah.
Labas na labas sa may kusing pa. Piling kusing na lang yun. Ilan talaga guys. Kasi, ganito.
Tatlo na lang kami. Itatapon na lang kami yung basura eh.
Oo.
Di madilim. Tapos di nandito na kami. Dahil.
Oo. Dito na kami.
Naglalagayos to ng headlamp.
Nagkakayos sa buti ata.
Wolf.
Oo.
Malaki.
Ito si Mike ah. Hindi hawak niya yung, andito siya eh. Hawak niya yung ano. Binuksan niya.
Sumampa to.
Panik ako.
Gawa ni Eunice. Nagkasya ko nasa dulo.
Nga kasi may sara doon.
Hindi ko masara yung pinto. Si ate nakaupo, parang nakaupo siya ako nakasalpak sa kanya gano'n. Si Eunice, pinipilit makapasok. Hindi makapilit niya. Hindi makapasit. Ano eh, ipapasok. Sumapato eh, hindi mapasok. Natakot ako sa ko, nangangagat pa yun. Walang din ako.
Nangangagat yun. Coyote, oh. Cannibal sila eh. Lalo sila, cannibal, diba? Okay sana pag yung sasakyan empty, eh ang dami
Kaya ang hirap. Siksikan talaga kayo. Alam mo, kung makita mo yung itsura. Kung makita yung itsura namin. Makita mo yung itsura ni Michael. Ate, nagkakanood. Sabi ni Chris. Ate. Wala na. Ang akala ko naman si Eunice yung natakot kasi nga parang sad ako yung babae. Oo, ako din eh. Ako din pala yung babae pa yung natakot. Yung babae nagulat.
Ano na buka nila.
Wala talagang tigil.
Kasi alam mo yun, kakupen ka.
Tagal lang yung tawa. Ang hirap, tas kahit patulog na kami. Nakaalala pa rin namin yung nangyari. Natatawa ako sa sarili ko dito. Tapos naririnig ko rin silang natatawa.
Ano man?
Di ba tayo naman?
You can hike it. You'll see nice view up there. I kind of don't want to go now.
Ew, I have
I want to go downtown.
Yeah. What are we gonna do?
Mainit naman siguro na mag-shorts room ka.
Hindi ko masabi. Do you think it'll be cold?
It's going to 20 today.
Is it? Is it nice?
Yeah, parang 2 weeks eh.
Talaga ba?
I'm sure it might change in this gulf.
Okay ka lang?
They have trackers.
Hey, bud. Look up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one with the horns.
Hey, bud.
See, this all looks good, but these I can cut. Not too wet. There's the monies.
Next time we'll buy some splitting axe.
I know.
Much better. If we have.
Oh yeah, here's the money right here. Oh, that was wet. This one's kind of dry. I think that's
Courtesy of Jaya and G. Yes.
Oh, kain na kayo.
Papatikim?
Kain na kayo.
Mamahaling fishball.
Hindi pwede yung ano.
Nasaan yung school? Ang kulang.
Dito mainit.
Kundagan ka na.
Denise,
Siyempre.
unang bite. Hari na lahat.
Ito mas makatotohanan.
Pinas.
Ang anghang!
Ano naman ang hang sauce mo?
Oo. Nilagyan mo pala ng sili. Mahina ako sa mga anghang eh.
Ito yung nanghangan.
Kasi tayo, masaya ko yung ano.
Nag-message sa'yo si Lance, ne?
Ha?
Nag-message sa'yo ni si Lance. Ganda daw ng view doon, baka makain yun ng bear.
Ayan mo siya.
What do you dip it with?
Saan
What's
siya?
that?
Ewan ko, nung bakit siya papunta doon.
Wow,
May
it's
elk
so
siguro
good.
siya nakita.
What kind? Sauce? I'm not gonna eat that.
Aga lang.
Why not? So good.
I'm not a big fan.
Dito sa bahay.
Diba?
Naka-stick.
Pero ang kapal
May
nito eh.
sausawan doon, Len, no? Suka.
Ang kapal
Ano, kuya?
nito.
Bagay ito dyan eh.
Tusok-tusok. Tusok-tusok. Tapos sausaw.
Kuha ka na. Mainit na ba?
Oo, mainit
Mainit
na.
na? Try natin yung ano eh.
Yung sa Pinas eh, yung ano ba yun, yung manong sauce na
Anong sauce na
paulit-ulit. Pero ngayon marunong na sila.
May ano na?
Bawal
Manong
na.
double
O,
dip.
meron ng bottle.
Bawal na.
May bote na, may baso. Lalagyan mo ng ano yung baso mo.
Pero nung bata ako, kahit nagdo-double dip iba, kumakain pa rin ako eh. Buhay pa naman ako.
Buhay pa naman.
Parang Pinas, ng fishball.
May ikot. Hi, Nini. I'm Micah. See you, Nini.
I'm G.
Si Jaya.
Kilala ko siya yung Disney princess. Siya pala si Disney princess.
Napadami ko pala yung kikiam. Hindi maluto yung mas maaga.
May sauce doon. Jason. Sarap yung sauce mo.
That one?
But it's spicy.
I like spicy.
Yeah, try that.
My hero, Sapaga and Malaga.
No, get out of the meat and soup, man.
Nakita niya si mami niya.
Hindi, yung orange pang bata.
I don't know what they are.
Kailangan natin ng may taga-ganito.
No, I don't like.
Okay.
I thought.
No, only four.
A maximum of 4.
Oh.
Only 4.
Yeah.
So what's the drop? 5? That's it?
If we go, pusoy dos.
Oh, here. I drop.
Ay, kuya. Don't like that. Ay, bongga. Oo. Uh-oh.
They don't care about this.
No.
Pick one.
That's right.
Yeah.
And then, well, I wanted that, but I couldn't. Right?
bigger ba naman?
That makes sense. So now
May
next
itlog
one
dyan.
I put
Kainin mo yung
this.
itlog.
Can I pick up and then throw down this?
No, not yet.
No, no, but next.
Yes.
Can I, do I have to pick up first and then throw down? In, right?
Yes.
But only one run. You can only. Okay.
Ano kasi,
Ano, what?
this is what you call a special.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Special!
Yeah.
May royal flush yan.
Royal
Can I throw this down first?
No,
not yet. So throw down one of these.
Yeah, you can.
Expert
Pag
yung
you have
chino.
Okay.
If someone
Yeah.
fights,
Yeah.
then you can fight.
Okay. I got it.
Fight. Fight.
Go for gold.
Go for gold.
Special.
Okay.
I'm special. Can I fight?
Why? No. He has a special.
I fight.
You don't want to fight?
No.
You want to fight?
I'm waiting
Sure.
for another
I want to
one.
see what Jason does.
Okay,
Right.
fight. Wala to.
Elijah!
Ay, special nga.
Pwede
Ha?
hapon ka mag...
Oh,
His
lucky
cab is
you.
only 10.
Nice.
What? Ah! What? 9. Ah!
You won.
Okay, I get it. Okay.
Pa siya.
No, she has
to lay
something to lay
down
down.
his,
Oh, but yeah,
she
no,
don't
next
need
round, no, because
direction.
unless
Yeah.
you take this back and put down, but it doesn't matter.
You've got to throw one.
Yeah, throw
I
one.
need to throw one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Throw yourself.
Day 3.
Should I fry up that
Day
ham
3
too?
for our camping, and it's rainy day, and we're busy making our breakfast.
Oh, okay.
Jane, why your money still there?
Where?
That one. That's lasing.
No,
That
no, I
lasing.
wasn't.
Get it
No,
there.
I wasn't.
Na naman.
Taking fights again with me last night. Yes.
Ganyan siya pag malasing, gusto niya ng away.
Bakit may mantika?
Say hi. Wave hi.
Kuya Roseanne. Tsaka sila dyan. Pag ako kasama mo, sure ka. Sure kang gutom ka. Yung lumabas sila ni Ate Waika dyan. Ayaw kami niya. Ayaw na niya kasama sa akin. Ano sabi mo sa akin? Mas masarap ka daw kasama sa kainan. Gusto rin po si Ate Waika niya pag magkain eh.
Hindi
Kasi si Ate lahat. Si Ate lahat. Oh, dagdagan na.
Malas yan, taga-shopping, taga-kain, taga-pakain. Ay, siya.
Mga bunso. Eh, si Jaya, bunso din yan eh. Marunong pumaraan yung mga bunso.
lalaki.
Original bunso.
Bunso din ba siya?
Kaya pala, we
Mga
get
bunso pala to.
Panganay, sino? O, panganay. Si Chi, panganay. Kuya, nawala sa wilderness. Si Michael lang talaga, dapat may kasama. Ay, nga pala pagbata, hindi pala pwede. Pag matanda lang muna.
Where's my video? Jeez. Mm-mm.
Tigas yun.
Nag-siya eh.
Wala ko na.
Ayaw mo, ha? Tumakbo na. Ito yun. Masyadong maliit na. Kinapa, pero yung ano,
Ang dami.
Did we take yours yesterday? Alright.
sorry? Oo.
Thought you were took ours yesterday.
I'm gonna give these to me. I got yours in my pocket.
Huggy.
I mean, may amoy, pero...
Come here.
Go finish your food. One last bite.
Last. Just
One
last.
bite.
Ay, natapos na. Kaya nga, kainin mo.
Was your bite easy? Did you eat them? Did you eat yours?
Ito na pangkain.
Pang malaki ka.
Ay, kakain ka pala.
I'm gonna take
Kakainin pala kita.
Why? Put it over there?
Yeah, just for now.
You gonna move it there?
No, I'm just taking
There's
it
a
down.
tarp over there. It's raining.
Yeah.
No. It's raining. I did just put it because it seems earlier it was stopping. Alam ko yun, no? Alam mo yan? Hot spring din.
Ha?
Hot ba yung swimming pool? Dapat pala nag-hot spring na lang tayo. Kasi maalam. Dapat yun.
Oh, we should do the hot spring.
Ano kaya? Para mainitan tayo, no? Wala akong t-shirt. Pero pag t-shirt ka ano?
Yung Rome bus.
Ako, parang 5 beses. Ilang gabi. Ano hina? Huwag ka naman ganyan. Mag-earpods. Ako bumili ako earpods kasi nga ano din ako. Nag-iisip ako nag-earpods. Masarap ang tulog kapag may earpods. Hey, mamo! Kasi
This guy, look at this guy.
ba't siya naiyak?
Tapos ay ganun mo para makita nila yung sayaw.
Wow, ayun.
Ang ganda rin yung salamin.
Paano nyo nalalaman niyang mga oso sa Pinas?
I don't like that.
Sorry, no, you have
mic.
Is that on your cards? I see some nice diamonds.
Shirts na
Tapos, ano din yan?
Kaya siya pala naging airbender. May ano na tayo.
Brazil nut? Brazil nut.
Ay, gusto mo ente?
I'm liking this game.
Yeah? Because you're winning?
Yeah.
How about you, Iya? What can you say about our camping?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. They're playing. Ganyan ko sila.
I'll get the egg. You want the egg? I'll get the egg.
Sa dos. 1-1 ka lang dyan. 1-1. Where's the squishy? Olivia, where's the squishy? Where's the squishy?
Squishy, 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 squishy. It's
Yeah.
My name is Ross, and I work as an interpreter here in Banff National Park. So my job is not to interpret language, though. It's to interpret the natural and cultural stories of the special place that I work in, and to invite you folks to share your stories with us as well, just like people have done here for countless generations. Banff is within the present-day territories of Treaty 6, 7, and 8 First Nations, as well as the Métis homeland. The lands and waters of Banff have been used for millennia by Indigenous people for sustenance, ceremony, trade, and travel. We thank them for their continuous stewardship and for sharing the land with us. And we thank you for keeping a clean campsite while staying here in the park with us. By keeping your campsite clean and all your food-scented items and garbage in your vehicle or a food storage locker, it helps to keep you safe and the wildlife wild, so we really appreciate that. You might be thinking, what about the grizzly bear? Nope. Or the moose? Nuh-uh. The bison has them both beat. And there's two types of bison that live here in Alberta. The woods bison and the one that's found here in the park, the plains bison. Plains, you say. But what are plains bison doing living in the mountains? Well, they've actually always been here, or at least for thousands of years, until they were hunted nearly to extinction during and after colonization. So how do we know that they were even here? Well, First Nations and Métis people of the area have an oral history that's passed down through generations, and they relied upon the abundance of the bison until they disappeared in the late 1800s, before this area even became a park in 1885. For the First Nations and Métis people, the bison are an important resource for life, cultural practices, for food, travel, and tools. Wow, ew, crap, gross, and nutritious. For the soil, the plants, the birds, and the bugs. You see, the bugs feed on the bison dung, and in turn, the birds feed on the bugs. So, in theory, the more bison dung, the more birds, and that means more diversity for the ecosystem. An ecosystem is any area where living and non-living things come together to form a community of life. And bison are actually ecosystem engineers, reshaping the landscapes that they inhabit. These bison have only been here for a short time, so they're still learning, but the land teaches them and they teach others. Say, do you folks see that bare patch in the ground over there? That's called a wallow, and bison create wallows so that they can roll around, take a dust bath, scratch their backs, rub off the old fur, and get rid of annoying insects. But the interesting thing is they didn't choose just any old spot to wallow in. They chose historic wallow sites that haven't been used in over 150 years. It's the same wallows that their ancestors used. Toss them on the stage, guys. Whoa! What a toss. Oh my goodness. All right, it's getting out of hand. I have dung all over me. Thanks, guys. Oh, look at that. So much richer and healthier. Wow. All of that just from one bison from one day. 16 kilograms. Imagine once there's bison all over the landscape. That's going to be a lot of ecosystem engineering. Pass the gums and the snout, what goes in must come out. That's what bison poop is all about. On the ground it breaks down, brings new life all around. There's no better harvest to be found. Spread the joy like your poop, bring new friends to the group. What goes around often comes back around. Tiny bugs, flies, and ants, they rejoice and they dance, singing out their happy insect sounds. Part of my job now is to study these amazing animals and how they're doing each year in the park. Oh, that's right. As a plains bison, your scientific name is bison, bison, bison. Wow, what a creative name. I was with a herd of bison. Wow. Whoa. Oh, we lost one. Come on. No bison left behind. Let's go. Wow, well done, everyone. I've seen elk, deer, even moose, but never something that big. Do they come in any bite-sized pieces? Well, not really, unless you include the young ones, I suppose. Well, this is gonna be tough. I'm gonna need some more of my pals. Oh! circle, circle, step, step, slide. What do you think, folks? Do they got it? Yeah. Circle, circle, step, step, slide. Oh, this thing's massive. Come on, gang, we gotta work together here. Sing it out loud and strong. You've been gone for oh so long. Who knows on what the future can depend? Sing it out for all to hear. The herd is back, it's crystal clear. It's nice to have you back here with your friends. Roam the plains, natural wonder. Your footsteps sound like rolling thunder. The people feared that you had disappeared. It's been fun, see what's done. A dream lasts for everyone. Roaming through the land, you have no fear. Bison, 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 back on the horizon. You have been away for oh so long. Bison, 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 you're back on the horizon. Nice to see you back where you belong. Everywhere your poop goes pop, new organisms never stops. A brilliant bunch of bioengineers. Everywhere that you lay down, a garden springs up from the ground. All the other critters give a cheer. Welcome home, Buffalo, welcome home, now take it slow. The people have been missing you so long. Have you heard? Spread the word. Now you're back with the herd. It's nice to have you home where you belong. Bison, 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 back on the horizon. You have been away for oh so long. Bison, 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 you're back on the horizon. It's nice to see you back where you belong. That is the show for the evening. Thank you so much for joining me. Waterways, and historic sites. To learn all that I can, and continue to explore, so that I can take care of Canada and the world around me. And I also promise to always eat my vegetables. Amazing. Well done. Yeah, that's in English.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, ano ba yan, luces? Parang luces. Just put it on the fire.
Ano pa? Baby, go. Like, don't be scared.
Hold it up.
When does it stop?
You see the gray side? That's when it stops.